Bark thickness. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, bark thickness. This phrase might sound a bit technical at first, but it's actually quite interesting and easy to understand. So, let's dive in and uncover the meaning together. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts. The word bark refers to the outer covering of a tree. It's that protective layer you see on the trunk and branches. In English, bark can be used both as a noun and a verb, but in our phrase, it's used as a noun. Next, let's look at thickness. Thickness is a noun that describes how thick or thin something is. It's a measure of the distance between the two opposite sides of an object. In our phrase, thickness is used to describe how thick or thin the tree bark is. Now, let's combine the two terms. Bark thickness refers to the measure of how thick or thin the bark of a tree is. This phrase can be used in various contexts, like botany, forestry, or even in casual conversations about trees. In everyday English, you might hear bark thickness in conversations about gardening, nature, or when discussing the characteristics of different types of trees. It's a specific term that shows the speaker's knowledge about trees. To help you understand better, here are a few example sentences. 1. The bark thickness of this oak tree is remarkable, indicating its age and strength. 2. Researchers measured the bark thickness to assess the tree's health. 3. I was fascinated by the varying bark thickness of different tree species during our nature walk. And that's it for today's lesson on bark thickness. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about exploring new words and phrases, just like this one. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.